Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Bobi Wahyudi, SPD. Saya berasal dari kota Jambi. Saya adalah mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan 2020 Angkatan 3 Universitas Katolik Indonesia Atmajaya. Pada hari ini tanggal 30 November 2020 saya mengadakan rekaman praktik pembelajaran dalam rangka memenuhi tugas uji kinerja PPG dalam jabatan 2020. Ini adalah kartu ujian saya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm
fine.
Thank you, and you?
How are you today, students?
I'm fine, thank
Fine,
Thank you. And you?
I'm so good
Thank you.
today. Okay.
you.
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Okay, before going to our studying, let's pray to Allah Almighty, who has given us healthy. And then, please Vigo, lead your friend to pray to us. Vigo, are you there?
Ya,
Okay, lead your friend to pray.
doa sebelum belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi Rabbi Sodari Wayasirli Amri Halul Uqdata min lisani Yafqahu qawli.
Rabbi zidni iman warzuqni fahmi.
Okay, I would like to ask you to open your camera. Please open up your camera. I would like to take your absent, your present. Switch on your camera. Silakan dinyalakan kameranya. Kita absen dulu, ya. Kita absen dulu kamera biar kelihatan wajahnya. Meriza Mulyani. Uli, where are you? Are you there, Meriza Mulyani? Okay. Okay. Enough. Okay, we would like to take your absent. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, all of you is present. All of you is present. Semuanya hadir? Semuanya hadir?
Present.
Okay. We would like to review our study last week ya. Kita mau review dulu untuk pembelajaran kita yang minggu kemarin ya, about narrative text ya, tentang narrative text. Kemarin kita kan we have learned about Sangkuriang. Ya, kita sudah belajar tentang Sangkuriang, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We have watched, we have learned, we know the generic structure of narrative text. We know all about narrative text. But today, I would like to ask you about what is narrative text. Who knows what is narrative text? Before we go to study the next lesson, I would like to ask you, what is narrative text? Apa itu narrative text?
Cerita fiksi yang terdiri dari orientasi, komplikasi, dan resolusi.
Okay, good, Nana. The others? Any answer? What is narrative text? Galuh?
Menceritakan suatu cerita yang memiliki rangkaian peristiwa yang sering terhubung.
Pardon? Yeah.
Tujuan untuk menghibur pembaca.
Yeah, that is the purpose of narrative text. The others, yang lainnya? What is the definition of narrative text?
Narrative text is a story with complication or problematic event, and it tries to find the solution of the problem.
Okay, good, Risma. That's what I want. Narrative text. The definition of narrative text is the story. Yeah. The story. What story?
With complication.
With complicated. Problematic, ya, problem, with complicated problem. Jadi cerita, ya, cerita, naratif teks itu cerita, imaginative, ya, imaginatif. If you say it's fantasy, ya, kalau kita bilang itu adalah fantasi, ya. I would like to ask you now, tell me, who knows the kind of narrative text? Okay, the kind of narrative text. Who knows? Kind of narrative text.
Fable,
Yes.
fable,
Fable. Okay.
legend,
Fairy tales.
fairy tale,
Pardon?
Fairy tale.
Okay, good.
Legend.
Okay, legend.
Legend.
Okay, we conclude. Legend. Yeah. Fable. So.
Cerita ilmiah.
Oh, scientific.
Cerita.
Scientific. Story. So. The last one.
Fable.
Finish. Fable.
action,
Fairy
tales.
fairy tale. Yeah. Okay.
Fairy
Fairy
tale.
tale. Okay. That's our lesson in last week, ya. Itu pelajaran kita yang kemarin. And now I would like. Okay. This is our goals. Could you like to read? Kemarin kan kita sudah membaca nyaring, ya. We have read the story. Ya. Ini kemarin kita sudah mencapai tujuan pertama kita dalam pembelajaran. And now I would like you to read the second goals. Ya, second goal. Could you like to help me? Nana.
Yang nomor 2 kan.
Ya.
memahami isi teks naratif terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dengan menjawab pertanyaan dengan singkat berbasis teks yang diberikan guru.
Oke, sudah ya. Berarti sudah tadi kita sudah membahas tentang fungsi teksnya. And now I would like to watch. I would like you to watch the video. This is this is the video about Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. Happy watching. Look, I would like to share screen. Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. Happy watching. Look, I would like to share screen. Kedengaran suaranya?
Dengar.
Dengar.
Okay, happy watching.
Snow White. Once upon a time, far, far away land, there lived a queen who had a beautiful daughter, with skin as white as snow. But sadly, the queen soon became sick and passed away. Then the king married a new queen, but she was evil. The evil queen liked to ask her magic mirror every day. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? The magic mirror would always answer.
Wait a minute. You have to focus in watching. Kalian fokus dalam menonton. Because after watching, I would like to ask you some questions about this story. I would like to ask you some questions about this story. Habis nonton ini nanti akan ada beberapa pertanyaan tentang cerita yang ada ketika kalian tonton. Okay? We continue.
My queen, you are the fairest of them all.
But one day, the magic mirror answered.
My queen, Princess Snow White is the fairest.
The queen became very angry.
What? Sense. I am the fairest. Not Snow White. Never!
The angry queen ordered her hunter to throw Snow White into the woods. The hunter found Snow White.
I'm so sorry, Princess Snow White. But the queen ordered me to get rid of you.
Please, sir, I beg of you. I will run away and never show myself again.
The hunter let Snow White go, and Snow White ran away far into the woods. Snow White became scared.
Oh no! What should I do? It's so dark and scary here.
Then Snow White spotted a small light up on a small hill.
Oh my! It's a pretty little cottage.
Snow White found a small cottage on the hill. Snow White went inside the cottage.
Look! 7 small plates, 7 small cups, 7 small spoons, and 7 small forks.
Okay.
took a nap.
Who knows what place is this? Whose house? Ya, punya siapa ini rumahnya?
Dwarf.
Dwarf.
Okay. How many dwarfs here?
Seven.
7 dwarfs. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. Yeah. Let's continue. There are 7 plates here, 7 cups here, so 7 spoons and 7
4.
forks. Yeah. 7 forks. Yeah. 7 garpu, 7 sendok, 7 plate apa?
7 piring.
Piring.
Oke.
Piring.
7 cups.
7 gelas.
7 cangkir.
Gelas.
We continue.
7 dwarfs who live in the cottage came home.
The dwarf is coming.
The dwarf shouted, "What happened to our food? Who's that sleeping in my bed?"
Hush, Princess Snow White.
At that moment, Snow White woke up. Soon, they all became good friends. She lived with them.
After watching this video, you have been watching this video, and then I would like to ask you, what is the topic of the story?
Princess.
Yes, pardon. Who? Risma?
Now one.
Okay, Galuh, Snow White. Good. Next, yeah. Open. I would like you to open the. Sorry. Your Chrome. Yeah. Please write slido.com. Slido.com. SLIDO. .com. Yeah, slido.com. Okay, wait a minute. This slido.com. Have you? Okay, please enter the code. Sorry. Snow White. Okay, enter the code 61445. 61445. Have you type it? Sudah? Ditulis, diketik kodenya?
Yes.
1445.
Yes.
Okay. This is the question for the story you have been watching last minute. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Okay. Sudah kelihatan pertanyaannya?
Sudah.
Oke. Sudah bisa dijawab? Oke, please respond.
Aduh,
Please respond.
apa tadi?
Dari sana. Iya. Ingat.
Oke.
Sorry.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 persons. The others.
Apa?
Okay. 4.
Tunggu Tat, kami belum.
Okay.
Tadi
Galuh.
jaringan.
Hurry up.
Jaringan,
Oh.
Tat, jaringan.
Okay, connection. Bad connection.
Nomo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The Snow White. Okay, Snow good. Princess Snow White. Snow White and 7 dwarfs. Okay, next question. Next question. Who were the main characters in the story? Who were the main characters in the story? Yeah. You have been watching this video. Right on the Slido, on the Slido.com. Yeah, your answer. You write your answer. Snow White and seven hunters. Okay, good. Good. You can try to.
Hunter Dapper.
Yes, 7 hunters. Okay, you can
Seven
edit
dwarfs.
your answer. Okay. Snow White, stepmother Snow White.
Ah.
Okay.
Oh my god, typo. Ah,
Okay.
typo Tat. Ya Allah Tat. Oh.
It doesn't matter. Okay. Snow White. Okay, Snow White stepmother or queen, yeah. Queen, hunter, 7 dwarfs, and prince. Okay, good. Snow White and 7 hunters. Oh, Snow White, just Snow White only. Okay, the others. Where is the others? Galuh.
Gimana ya?
Ustadz Galuh dapat masuk.
Snow White and 7 dwarfs. Okay, good. Good answer. This is the right answer. Yeah. The main characters of this story. The main characters of this story is Snow White and the 7 dwarfs. Yeah. Snow White and the 7 dwarfs. This is the main character. Ini karakter utamanya adalah Snow White dan siapa? 7 yeah, as the title, seperti judulnya, ya. Okay, the next question. Okay, please answer. Where did Snow White run away? Where did Snow White run away? Okay, where did Snow White run away? To cottage. Okay, good. You can reply this. I would like to know where is the cottage is. Cottage-nya itu di mana?
In the forest.
Okay.
The forest.
Where's the cottage? Pardon?
Di mana?
Where's the cottage? Can you answer me?
In the forest.
In the forest. Then the answer is forest, because before Snow White knows there is a cottage in the forest. Yeah, in the forest. Yeah, before run away, that she didn't know. She didn't know that there is a cottage in the forest. Sebelumnya dia belum tahu ada cottage, ya, ada rumah, ada halaman kecil di rumah kecil di mana? Di hutan. Jadi dia larinya kemana? Ke hutan. Okay. Then she runs into the wood or into the forest. Okay. Next. Yeah, why didn't the hunter kill Snow White? Can you answer me? Why? Yeah. Okay. Please respond.
Wait.
Why didn't the hunter kill Snow White? Kenapa ya pemburu itu tidak membunuh Snow White? Because she begged him to not kill her. Okay, good. Good answer. Karena kasihan pada putri salju. Okay. Next. The hunter let Snow White go and Snow White ran away far into the wood. Ya. Ini yang menjawab answer the hunter let Snow White. Siapa yang menjawab ini? The hunter let Snow White go and Snow. Siapa? Nana. Oke.
Kami.
Ya, kenapa? Why didn't the hunter kill Snow White? Because the hunter let Snow White go and far away. This is the you can reply this answer ya. Nice answer. Jawaban yang bagus, cuman belum mengena pada sasaran. Oke? Because the bag
Zoom.
Ayo ulang ya. He ordered her huntsman to take Snow White to the forest and kill her. I want you to bring back her. Hurt. He ordered. But when the huntsman reached the forest with Snow White, he took pity on her and set her free. He killed a deer and took its heart to the wicked queen and told her that he had killed Snow White. Snow White wandered in the forest all night crying.
Okay. After reading this story, what can you tell me what is the generic structure of the second paragraph?
Complication 1.
Okay, complication. Good. Complication. I would like to write here. Wait a minute. This is
Complication.
complication. Why did you say this? This is complication.
Karena
Mulai muncul masalah.
Pardon?
Permasalahan
Dari
itu
Karena mulai muncul
Karena-
permasalahan.
Ya.
masalahnya.
Kenapa kalian sebut tadi ini adalah complication? Berarti complication itu sense of the problem.
permasalahan
Karena Ratu menyewa pembunuh
Hah?
mainan untuk membunuh Snow White.
Okay, good job. Good answer. Okay, jadi where's the complication? Seperti yang kita pelajari kemarin, minggu kemarin, last week we have studied as we studied last week, yang kita seperti yang kita pelajari minggu kemarin, complication itu adalah di mana set atau pengaturan masalah. Nah, di sini masalahnya adalah here the problem is the queen ordered hunter or huntsman, ya, pemburu, ya, to take Snow White untuk membawa
Dan
Snow White kemana? To the forest,
forest.
ya,
Ke hutan.
Pardon? Kill her, ya, dan membunuhnya. This is the problem, ya. Okay, third paragraph. Can you tell me what is this?
complication 2.
Solution one.
Solution one.
Solution. Okay, why did you call solution?
Karena Snow White menyelamatkan diri.
Bagaimana?
Karena di
Snow
situ
White
masalahnya udah selesai gitu loh, Tat. Masalahnya udah hampir selesai.
Itu udah selesai.
Okay. Masalahnya udah selesai. Can you Adele tell me?
Because Snow White ran away to the wood.
Okay. The resolution is what? Runway into the wood. Yeah. Into the wood. Okay, next. Can you tell me the fourth paragraph is what is the generic structure of the fourth?
Complication 2.
Complication. Okay, complication 2. Wait a minute. Okay. Yes. Complication 2.
Tuh.
Why did you call complication 2?
Karena kan selalu
Mulai
Naratif tahu bahwa Snow White masih
I don't hear the Galuh's voice. Galuh's voice. Can you Galuh? Why did you call? Why the your friend tell this? This is complication 2. Can you tell me the reason is?
Jaringan, Tat. Aduh, putus-putus.
Putus ya?
Putus-putus,
Oke,
Tat.
Uli.
Putus-putus.
Oke, Uli.
Jaringan, Tat, jaringan.
Uli. Yes, Uli. You are.
That Snow White is back to life.
The queen knows that the Snow White
Now
still alive. Okay, and then she wants to kill Snow White with
apple.
poison and
Apple.
apple. Okay, good. Okay, next. What
complication.
Resolution 2.
resolution 2? Why did you call resolution 2?
Karena
Nana?
karena udah nggak ada lagi masalah.
Nggak ada lagi masalah ya di sini ya?
Ya,
Because this is the final
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 story.
last paragraph ya, karena dia di paragraf terakhir dia sebutnya resolution. Is it?
Yes.
Yes.
Ada jawaban yang lain? Any answer? The others can the other
Snow White
White.
come to life and married the prince.
Okay, because the Snow White still alive, yeah, and she married the prince.
Yes.
Okay, this is the big resolution for this story. Okay. Smooth. Okay, 8. Have you finished? Once more, Isma. One question more.
Haha, salah.
Izinkan
Don't
pelukis.
disturb. Okay, let Isma answer the question. Okay,
Jangan
finish?
finish.
Okay. Who's the winner? Galuh Puan Pitaloka. And the second one, Adele. And third is Nana. Okay, congratulations to all of you.
Congrats.
Okay.
Congratulations, guys.
Congrats.
Okay, this is your answer. This is Galuh Puan Pitaloka 100 ya, dapat 100. Adele 100, Nana 100, Uli 90 ya, Risma 100, Vigo.
Bateraiku tidak terisi.
Oke, good job ya. Walaupun even this is the who first answered first. What did you get? Apa yang sudah kalian dapat hari ini? Boleh share? Can you share with me? Okay.
Kami sudah mempelajari tentang naratif teks,
Okay.
menganalisa tentang struktur naratif teks seperti orientasi, komplikasi, dan resolusi.
Okay, good job, Nana. Next, the others, yang lain? Karisma, what did you learn?
Kami sudah memahami tentang naratif teks.
Okay, good, narrative text ya. Okay, then from your answer from the LKPD, dari jawaban kalian tadi di LKPD yang tadi yang quizzes, I conclude ya, saya simpulkan that you have understood about narrative text. Jadi kesimpulannya ya, adalah ya, apa yang kita tolong memberikan saya kesimpulan dari pelajaran kita. Adele, pelajaran apa pelajaran kesimpulannya? What is the conclusion of our lesson today? Ada yang bisa? Adele?
Kami jadi memahami naratif teks, tujuan-tujuan naratif teks, sama struktur naratif teks.
Okay, good job. For the next, I would like you to take your there is a homework for you. Take a look your classroom. Yeah, I have give you the quizzes for you. Ya, saya sudah memberikan pertanyaan kembali di quizzes menyangkut ya terkait daripada naratif teks ya. Silakan nanti kalian cek di quizzes kalian ya. Ini I will share for you. Saya akan share ya, share. I will share this for you. This is your wait a minute, buddy. This is your task at home. Ya, ini adalah tugas kalian di rumah ya. Jadi saya I have give it into your classroom. Ya, saya sudah masukkan ini ke classroom kalian ya. Saya masukkan ini ke classroom kalian. Okay? That's all. Thank you very much for your time. Ya. Ada pertanyaan? Any question? Okay, thank you. Let's close our lesson by reading Hamdalah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you very much for your attention and last see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.